Welcome to our new presentation. Our selected topic for today is blood pressure. In this video, we will answer the below questions. 1. How often should I get my blood pressure checked? 2. How to get your cholesterol tested? 3. How often should you have your cholesterol and triglyceride levels checked? In our previous video, we have discussed about normal blood pressure, systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure. How does your blood pressure change with aging, and what should blood pressure is according to age? The link of that video is on the description. You can watch those. Welcome once again to our nursing exercise channel. If this is your first time here, we have a YouTube channel that aims to enrich your knowledge about your health, fitness, medication, nutrition, diet, etc. And if it is your plan to update yourself about these important issues for all of the important tips, advice, discussion and presentation, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on our notification bell icon. Let's start our presentation. How often should I get my blood pressure checked? How often you should have your blood pressure checked depends on a couple of factors. High blood pressure rarely has noticeable symptoms that make the condition difficult to identify. The only way to find out if you have it is to have your blood pressure checked with a monitor. This is important because spotting any problems as early as possible reduces the risk of complications. These include cardiovascular diseases such as angina, stroke, heart attack and heart failure, kidney disease, and gout. According to the American Heart Association, normal blood pressure, below 120/80 mm of mercury. If your blood pressure is normal, less than 120/80, get it checked at least every 2 years or more frequently as your doctor suggests. Borderline or elevated high blood pressure. If your blood pressure is borderline high, called prehypertension, systolic blood pressure between 120 and 139 or diastolic blood pressure of 80 to 89 mm of mercury, your doctor will probably want to check it every 3 to 6 months. He'll probably recommend lifestyle changes like more exercise and a better diet. Stage 1 hypertension, systolic 130 to 139 mm of mercury or diastolic 80 to 89 mm of mercury. If you have stage 1 hypertension, the doctor might suggest lifestyle changes and see you again in 3 to 6 months. Or he could tell you to make the changes and give you medication and then recheck your condition in a month. It depends on what other health conditions or risk factors you have. Stage 2 hypertension consistently ranges at 140/90 mm of mercury or higher. Someone with stage 2 hypertension will likely get medication. Your healthcare provider may recommend monitoring your blood pressure at home, lifestyle changes, and in addition to your regular healthcare visits in a month. According to age. Age between 18 to 40 years. If you're age 18 to 40 and you aren't at increased risk for high blood pressure, get your blood pressure checked every 3 to 5 years. Age over 40 years or older. If you are age 40 or older, or if you are at higher risk for high blood pressure, get your blood pressure checked once a year. How often should cholesterol be checked? The American Heart Association recommends that cholesterol testing should be done 1. Once between ages 9 and 11, before puberty. 2. Once between ages 17 and 21, after puberty. 3. All adults 20 or older have their cholesterol test and other traditional risk factors checked every 4 to 6 years. 4. People who are at risk for heart attack may recommend screening for high cholesterol more often. However, Your doctor may suggest doing this more often if you have certain risk factors such as diabetes, high blood pressure, obesity, or a family history of heart disease. 5. It's best to have your cholesterol checked by your primary healthcare provider, where he or she can thoroughly explain your results and recommend a treatment plan if needed. If you have any query, please comment in the comment box, and if you enjoy watching our videos, please subscribe our channel to receive notifications every time we upload a new video. Hit the bell icon twice. Thanks for watching.